Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to dive into the complex legal battles Pakistan has faced on international stage from in territorial dispute to arbitration cases. Pakistan has been involved in several high-profile legal confrontations. We will explore the key cases, the legal arguments presented, and the outcomes. Join us. We will analyze the legal dimensions of these international disputes. Legal analysis key cases: Kashmir dispute. Pakistan and India have fought three wars over the disputed region of Kashmir. This conflict remains unsolved, with both countries claiming sovereignty over the entire region. International law has struggled to mediate this long-standing territorial dispute. Broadsheet LLC case: Pakistan has faced significant legal battle with Broadsheet, a company hired to trace hidden traces of Pakistanis abroad. The London Court of International Arbitration awarded $21 million penalty to Broadsheet, which Pakistan is challenging. Non-international armed conflicts: the Sindh High Court ruled on the cases related to non-international armed conflicts such as 2014 attack on Jinnah International Airport by militants. The court held that Pakistan was involved in an armed conflict with Tehrik-e-Taliban Pakistan at the time, affecting liability claims. The government territorial dispute: Pakistan argued for its sovereignty over Kashmir based on historical claims and the principle of self-determination. India, on the other hand, maintains the control over parts of the region and arbitration cases. In Broadsheet LLC case, Pakistan argued against the arbitration award, claiming that settlement reached in 2008 was binding. Broadsheet contended that the settlement was not valid, leading to arbitration rule. Armed conflict: the Sindh High Court had determined whether 2014 airport attack constituted an act of terrorism or an armed act. The court ruled that it was an armed conflict impacting the liability of airlines carriers. Outcome: Kashmir dispute. The Kashmir dispute is still unsolvable. Broadsheet LLC case: Pakistan is challenging the arbitration award and seeking to have the penalty overturned. Non-international armed conflicts: the court ruling affected the liability claims of insurance of companies and the airline carriers involved in the airport attack. In conclusion, Pakistan international legal battles highlighted the complexities of territorial dispute, arbitration cases, and the armed conflict. These cases have significant implications for the regional stability and international relations. Stay tuned for more in-depth analysis of legal cases and international disputes.